Hey guys, this is my tattoo DermShield video for Elite. I love this DermShield, but today we have something exciting because we get to put it on my husband, which means we can also follow up with it in 3 days once we take it off because he will be around. So we get to put this on right now, and in 3 days we'll take it off and show you what it looks like. So first, let's put it on. All right, I'm just going to cut a piece to the hand size here. Pretty sure we'll need 2 pieces, so I'm just cutting out a second piece. Let's start with the first piece here. Just gonna pull off the back. I love how easy these come off. There's 3 different strips, so it doesn't kind of fold the paper in a weird way, so you can get off the back really easily. We know that the sticky side goes down. I like to put my bandage on a lot like I put my stencils on. Try to get the bubbles out. Just pull off both of these sides. And those rounded edges, I feel like, help the corners stay on better. We now have just a little bit left here to cover. Let's see if this is gonna get there. Okay, we'll see if we need one more. Sometimes if you lay these down diagonally, they work a little better. Something to keep in mind. Okay, it's probably just a little bit sticking out now. You just need a little corner piece. And again, just rounding out those edges will help it stick longer. We got those 3 panels. Makes it easier to cut into different pieces. All right, now he's all covered, and there's about a 1/2 inch at the top, so that should be pretty good. If you're worried, you can leave a little bit more space, but I'm sure this will be fine. It's just lining. It doesn't have too much heavy shading, so it shouldn't have a whole lot under the bandage. So this is adhered beautifully. You can see, you can barely see it like it looks like the actual skin. It's easy to move around in as well. And how's it feel?
Feels great.
Feels great. So he's going to wear it for 3 whole days, sleep in it, take a shower in it, do all those things. And then we're going to take a look after it comes off. So let's do it. And here we are 3 days later. And he's been through all kinds of things. What kinds of things have you done?
I did a lot of moving boxes, mowing the lawn,
showering,
staying busy. Yeah.
So a little bit of
furniture.
Did you sweat a little bit?
Yeah, definitely sweat a little bit. Definitely hard work throughout these hot summer days here.
And is this the original bandage still?
Yes.
Yes.
Is the bandage from 3 days ago.
Is the bandage. All right. We're going to take this bandage off. The best way to do that is to remove it at the edges first. As you can see, the edges are coming up, but not totally off yet. Let me know if it's irritating you too much.
now. Actually, compared to other bandages, it feels like it's coming off pretty easy.
No reason to rush it. It's actually better not to rush it too much. Not too much breakage. It's actually peeling off pretty well. It's not coming off in like 100 million pieces, you know? All right, just like a second skin, it's a process to shed it, but it's coming off really nicely. He's not screaming. He's been sweating, so we're just gonna give him a little soap. So there's some residue here. That's when I use a little bit of my potion lotion, which is an oil-based lotion, which kind of helps get that off because water is just not going to take that off, that adhesive. Let's use a little bit of this lizard wizard here. Let's make sure this whole thing has a nice coat of lotion. Cool. Looking good. Still got a lot to go. I'm going to add more to the top here as well, but we're excited. And it looks like it healed beautifully. I think this bandage really is something else. The lines are all super crisp. It didn't hurt my client, and it was very easy to apply. So for all those reasons, I highly recommend the Elite Premium Derm Shield. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.